Okay, I'm doing a box opening. What are those called? Unboxing video of the Squeezebox, which I'm pretty sure this is. I got this separately today in the mail. It's the magnet sheet, different Weird Al magnets. And I'll open this thing. Hey, styrofoam. Hopefully that isn't the most exciting part. I assume it's not. Oh crap, get out of there. I have to put down the camera to get this out. There it is. Weird Al show reference. I don't know if the camera's too blurry, but it says Way Moby. So cool. Can you hold this for a second? Just don't cover up the sound recorder right there. Oh man, this is so cool. Hey, it opens up just like a real accordion right there. Oh gosh, it's so cool. It puts the CDs are in the little record things. I didn't know how it was gonna come like that. I have an autographed record of this on the wall up there. So cool. Yeah! Oh my freaking goodness! What the heck is wrong? Hey, it even includes his Flunked albums. Oh, I always wanted a record of this, man. Although this is just the CD and a record, you know, case. I'll eventually buy all these records also, but right now, not really in the budget. Because I bought a bunch of Weird Al stuff and Kink stuff. Where'd that book? Maybe that's also... Oh, there it is. Get that book out of there. Put the camera down again. It's one of my new favorite pictures of Weird Al. That right there. Squeezebox! Oh my gosh, it has all those rare single pictures in there. It's like...
Oh wow.
This is cool. Whoa!
Hey, Elsie, will you unzip
Never
my
seen
bag
that
a little
before.
bit? Why? Because I need to take this dress off?
Well, that's great right there. See this picture, Elsie? Look at that.
That's creepy.
Looks like that, evil mermaid. What's its name?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, spoiler alert if you haven't gotten this yet. Or maybe you've seen too much. Hope he's not using a Dorito as a chip in that computer. Woo! That's a still shot from when he played Fast Food Live. Or wait, was that free delivery or fast food where he played it like that? I don't remember, whatever. They're both from the same year. So,
Probably. Free
probably-
delivery.
yeah, probably. I have a ticket similar to this, except it's from the Rose Music Center and not that one that's nowhere near me. Now people know where I live.
Don't forget what
Why is it so blurry? Playing Unplugged Medley. Well, I guess that's that for the unboxing video of the Squeeze Box.